Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make background transparent in Canva for free. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, we want to select our Canva design right here, and then we want to go to the background color setting. For the background color, we want to make sure that the document color is exactly this value, which is all Fs. Then we'll close out of that. Next, we need to go where it says Share, and then click on where it says Download. What you're going to notice is that the PNG option allows you to have a transparent background, but only if you have Canva Pro. So the way we can actually get around this is by clicking on the download button. We can see that it's downloaded up here at the top. What we want to do next is go to PhotoRoom's Transparent tool. It's a free tool that you can use to make the background on your designs transparent. What we can do is drag that image we just downloaded into this website, and now we can see it here without that white background. If we click on where it says Download, and then open up that downloaded image, we can see that now the white background has been removed, and all we can see is the design on top. The background is completely transparent, and we did it without paying for any Canva Premium plan. So that's basically how you can make background transparent in Canva for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.